recording. This meeting is being recorded now. So I will send out the URL of this recording so that you can come back and look at again. Okay, first I'd like to see. Okay, Jinun will show that current achievement of his work. He made two views, new views of a mind map, and he will explain how it works, and he will explain about the structure of the program. Okay, so now you can see Jinu's screen. Can you see Huang? Jinu's screen now?
I see.
Okay, so let me explain. This is the card layout of the mind map he developed. So everything here as a small card is one node of mind map. Jinun, can you switch this to the mind map so that Juan can understand? Okay, if you click that one, yeah. So this is the mind map. So you can see there are like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 group of mind maps. So this 8 groups of mind map is clustered in 8 clustered card layout. So you will understand. So this is first one, and second one, and third one. Jinong, can you switch it to again? Switch it to the card layout. Yes. So now you can understand that this is the first one. Can you see? Yeah, first one and second group and third group, fourth group. Yeah, it's an 8 group clustered as a card layout. So 8, 7, 8, right? So that's what the client asked. So this is one view he developed, and also the users can add and expand the node from this card layout too. Jinu, can you show how add the child node? So still child node can be added like this. They can write something here and yeah, enter, and so just right beneath of the previous card, the new node is created. So this will also created in mind map view too. So yeah, this is another view, and there is another view Jinon developed. Jinon, can you show another view you developed? But this card layout view spends so much time for Jinhoon. So Jinhoon is supposed to finish the Node.js conversion, but he's still working on to finalize the card layout. And this is another view Jinhoon created. This is very similar to like an organizational chart, but the structure is kind of a little bit different from the original OK Mind Map original structure of what did we call that one? 지금 우리 원래 그걸 뭐라 불렀지? 구조 마인드맵이라 불렀나?
This is a tree map.
Yeah, tree map. Yeah, tree. You remember the tree map? Yeah, this is the original tree map we had. Oh, it's broken somewhere.
Yeah, some problems.
Yeah, some problems. But this is original tree map we have. But what Jinon added is a little bit different version of this map. So this is kind of vertically arranged compared to the old OKMindMap tree map is arranged horizontally. This is vertically aligned. So, and also Jinon created the cross-site link. Yeah. Jinon, can you show the cross-site link? Yeah, this is cross-site link. Everybody can make a link between different nodes directly. Like from here, yeah, you click and click OK. Oh, can you see that there's a
I see. Nice. Very nice.
direct cross lines he made it. The problem with this project here is he spent so much time on developing these two views, and he doesn't have time to develop for Node.js conversion of DW. You know what I'm talking about? Conversion from DWR to Node.js. So we need to work on that one. And Jinun and me talk about it yesterday because this project is supposed to be finished by this year. But this year there are not much time left. So just several days. And Jinun will take some time to finalize and fixing bugs for other small things. So even the card layout is not finished yet. 카드 layout 아직 안 끝났지?
예, 조금 남았습니다.
How many hours do you expect to spend, 진훈? 진훈이 얼마나 더?
Maybe one day.
Maybe one day, okay.
Yeah, wow.
But still, after one day, there are other bugs to fix. I think that the original tree map, something like that, has also a bug, right?
Yes.
Yes. So I think he needs some support. And we discussed that probably you implemented Node.js version of IoT. Huang, you did that, right? So I think you had an understanding of that idea how to convert DWR functions to Node.js function. Do you think you can help us? And yeah. First probably Jinun will review the source code he made so that you can understand the what has been changed for his new OkMindMap version. Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
And probably with that, it might be a whole lot easier for you to understand how you can convert the DWR to Node.js. So Jinun, can you explain? You can either explain it Korean or English, whatever you like.
Okay. I made new layout, card layout.
Where is it?
Yeah,
It's
here is.
It's a layout directory, right?
The layout directory and the H3 layout. Okay, H3 is a particularly viewed.
Okay, HT layout. Okay,
Yeah.
every layout is in this directory, right?
Yeah, right. And the node types, card node, and only one card layout, card node.
Only one.
Yeah.
Because that is a very unique node type. You have to define the card node here.
Yes.
So that's the reason why it has a node type, special node type defined in this directory. That's what I guess. Is it right?
Yeah, right.
Yeah.
And I changed the whole UI and UX. You can see the menu, left menu, and bottom menus. So I create new menu directory.
New menu directory. So this is totally different with the conventional directory, right?
Yeah, right. So all menu defined in this directory.
Okay. Oh, it's so small. Can you read it for us? The name of the file.
Menu.
Yeah.
Menu directory.
Okay.
OKM menu.jsp.
Okay. So every menu, new menu is there.
Yeah.
Where is the conventional menu then? Old menu. Where is old menu then?
Old menu is ribbon menu.
Okay. That's the old menu. It still exists in the new code, right?
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. And I didn't change the DWR functions.
So where is the DWR located? DWR functions.
DWR function is in plugin directory.
Okay, in plugin directory, there is a DWR. Okay.
Yeah.
Probably you can describe briefly to Hoang your idea about how the process of conversion from DWR to Node.js. So it will be very helpful for both of you. 간단하게 한번 설명해 줄 수 있어? 네 생각은 어떻게 하는지, 어떻게 하면 될 것 같다고 그런지?
I don't have an idea.
But yeah, Hoang, I'm not asking to you. I'm asking to Jinun.
Yeah. Okay.
But you use Node.js for developing IoT nodes, right?
Yeah.
For IoT nodes. And Jinun hasn't even studied Node.js not yet. So 진훈이 너 공부 좀 했니? Did you study 진훈 Node.js?
네, 조금 했습니다.
Little he did that. So probably we can discuss, okay, the whole idea together here. How can it be? So we have a better understanding. So this is a DWL directory.
네, 여기 보면 이렇게 DWR 리스너에 이런 식으로 이벤트가 발생하면 보내게 돼 있거든요.
Okay, if you see here, if there is a DWR event happened, it directs you to here, and you can do some program here. 여기서 프로그램 하는 거 맞나?
네.
Event. This is event of DWR, right?
여기 보면 new node 이벤트가 발생했을 때 이런 작업들을 한다 이렇게 정의가 돼 있어요.
So this is a description about when the event is happened, and the selected area means that this process is done about a specific event. 이거 한번 구체적으로 설명해봐 이 내용을. So Jinun will give some more detailed explanation about that. So this actually this section is what? It's very small and I can't read it. Maybe let me make my.
네. 여기 보면 이제 new node가 생성되면
if you see that there is a new node created,
여기 있는 함수가 이제 실행이 되거든요. 그러면
and the function here is executed.
그러면 DWR send node insert라는 이벤트가 발생해요. 그래서 함수를 호출하는데 이게 보면
and this okay, hold on a second. And this DWR send node insert is generated. 맞아? generated 되는 거 맞는 거야?
아니죠. 이걸 호출하는 거죠. 이 함수를.
Okay, not generated. This will be called by this function here. Okay.
이걸 찾아보면
and this function, if you find it down here,
여기 자바스크립트 chat.js 파일에 있거든요.
You can find it Java. Would you JavaScript chat.js in the directory name이야 그거?
파일 이름입니다.
The file name is in that. You can find the contents there. Okay.
네, 여기 extended 디렉토리에 자바스크립트 챗이 있습니다.
This is extended directory. Under the extended directory, you can find the Java. 되게 작아. So small. Chat.js. Okay. So what he needs to do is that convert and mapping every DWR function over here to the Node.js. Is it? Is it correct?
Yes. 요거를 바꾸면 될 것 같아요. Node.js를 이용하도록. 지금은 이게 DWR 이용하도록 돼 있거든요.
Okay, this is the whole mechanism how DWR works. So what Jinun thinks is that changing it in each individual of this DWR event function to mapped into Node.js function.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, Hoang, you understand what I'm talking?
I understand.
Yeah. So that will be his idea. He hasn't started yet, but that's just his idea. What do you think about? Is it possible to do it?
Maybe I think so.
Because you tried to develop the IoT.
Yeah.
Okay, that thing wholly works with Node.js, right? So probably you are, I think, more expert on this using Node.js because Jinun hasn't used Node.js before. He's just studying, and now he's trying to do it. So what I would like to suggest is probably you can just make just one prototype, the simplest one. Okay, simplest DWR event process to map into the Node.js process. Okay, so
Okay. I
Jinun, do
understand.
you have any recommendation? The most simple DWR event process that can be managed so that Hoang can give it a try to make it. 호황이 좀 어느 펑션이 제일 좋을까 하나 샘플로 해서.
노드 추가하는 거 제일.
His suggestion is adding node.
Yeah.
So adding node. Can you show that which specific event?
Yeah.
Can you trace the event so that Hoang can just follow
the top of the file.
Okay, on the top of the file here.
Gino DWR JS files top functions. Yeah. Here.
In here, okay. Yeah. Here probably what he suggests is adding node action.
Yes.
Add the node, right?
Yeah, new node action.
New node action. So what Gino suggests is that converting this DWR function of adding new node to the mind map to the Node.js sample first. First, you try this, and probably after that you can show it to Jinun and discuss about the possibility and check, and it is okay. You can proceed until Jinun finished his view model and come back to you to help you. Hoang, do you understand what I'm talking about?
Yeah. Okay, I understand.
Okay, so yeah, I'm not sure whether you can do it. Do you think is it possible? Do you understand the DWR mechanism too?
Yeah. I think it's impossible.
So just give it a try, okay? So I have a question. So are you working on video streaming now? What is your subject you're working on right now, Hoang?
Yeah, I'm working video streaming, but it's some problem.
Okay, so kind of you stuck into a problem, right? Anyway,
yeah.
So probably we can wait until Professor Kang come back and help you. Okay, that's better.
Okay.
But I think this subject you can help better in conversion process. Okay.
Yeah.
So what I'd like to suggest is that try your time to spend some of your time to do what we discussed today, and okay, and if that things goes okay, probably you can invest most of your time developing this Node.js conversion.
Yeah. Okay.
And is Node.js okay? So Node.js server is already installed and working now, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So what we need to is just implement the source code. All right. So I don't think there's any problem. 진훈아, 이렇게 진행하면 될까?
네.
Okay. Hoang, any questions about our discussions?
Yeah, I know. Okay, I know.
Yeah. Okay. Hoang, I would like to suggest that you spend some time with it and you come back and you talk with us again, so that we can check the progress and check where we are going right direction.
Okay.
Okay. So probably tomorrow is Christmas, and maybe the day after tomorrow, late afternoon on 26th. Okay. 26th after tomorrow. I mean, tomorrow is Christmas, so the day after tomorrow.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, 26th in the afternoon. Probably we can discuss it again. So you give it a try, and just try it, and just how it works. You can report back to us, and the possibility, so that we can estimate how many days it will take. Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, just try, and just try several hours, and get back to us and let us know. So we will discuss it again.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. So okay. So to do that, probably Jinun need to provide you with the SVN or with this new environment, right?
Yeah.
진훈아, 이거 SVN 만들어서 호황한테 제공할 수 있지?
예.
Okay, Gino will make a SVN of this whole new things and they'll give it to you. And
Yeah.
you start working on this new SVN with him. And I hope this time there is no trouble with SVN things. Okay.
Yeah.
And
I
and
have so.
we also need to fix that old SVN problem with OKMindMap 2 or version 2.
Yeah.
I don't think we don't have that much time, so we'll solve that problem later. And let's just see that Gino's SVN work okay or not.
Yeah. Later.
Okay.
Later. Yeah. Okay.
Okay. So Gino will make a SVN of that one, and he will send it to you so that you can work soon on the conversion samples. And as soon as you have any achievement, you come back to us and we will discuss again.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. 야, 진우나 그 만들어서 보내줄 수 있지?
예. 오늘 만들어서.
진우야 이거 빨리 만들어서 보낼수록 좋아.
예.
Yeah, SVN should be better to send Hoang as soon as possible. That's the most emergent thing. Okay. 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 I think that's about it. So we can finish our meeting, Mr. Huang. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
What? Sorry. What?
Questions? No questions.
Yeah. No question.
No question. Okay. So I recorded the whole screen of these meetings. I will send you the video so that you can reference the contents and the site and directories of what we discussed.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Yeah.
And we'll discuss with using Messenger. Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
And have a nice Christmas Eve.
Yeah. You too.
Okay. I wish I'd be there. It's too cold here. Too cold in Korea. I think the Kanto is nice weather.
Yeah.
Very well. Okay. Bye.
Yeah. Bye.
Bye.